Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. The favicon is the small little icon you'll see next to your store's name on the tab in the web browser. It helps with brand recognition and gives your store a more polished look. Let me guide you through the process on how to add this in for your Shopify store, so let's get into it. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Then click on Sales Channel on the left-hand menu and select Online Store. From here, click on Themes. On the Themes page, you'll see your current theme listed. Click on Customize to enter the theme editor. Once inside the theme editor, look at the left-hand panel. In the Theme Settings menu, you'll see an option Logo. Click on the Logo tab. Click on Select Image, and a favicon image tab will appear on the window. You can either upload a new image from your computer or choose an existing one from your Shopify library. Click Add Image. Now, you can upload your favicon image. Make sure that the image is square and at least 32 by 32 pixels in size for the best results. Once you've selected your favicon, click Done. Now, move towards the top right corner to apply the changes by clicking Save. To see your favicon in action, open a new browser tab, then visit your store, and your favicon should be displayed next to your store's name in the tab. And that's it. That's how you add a favicon to your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, I recommend you check out our free Google Shopping course. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns for your e-commerce store. This is a fundamental part of growing your Shopify store profitably, so go and check out that course down below, completely free. Also, if you're already generating 20K per month in sales for your e-commerce store and you want help growing it to 6-7 figures and beyond, get in touch with my team and I. We do free Google Ads audits, and we can also jump on a call to show you how we would scale your Google Ads account and your store. I'll leave a link down below with how you can work with us, so go and check out those links. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.